ReservHub Quick Tip: How to create a manual reservation. In this ReservHub Quick Tip, I'll show you how to create a manual reservation in ReservHub. Manual reservations are useful when a guest books by phone, by message, through social media, or directly with your team. Start from the ReservHub dashboard and open the Create Reservation option. At the top of the screen, you can see the reservation availability for the selected date and service. This helps your team understand which times and tables are available before confirming the booking. First, choose the reservation date, time and party size. Next, choose how the table should be assigned. You can manually select an available table by checking the table list, or you can let ReservHub assign a suitable table automatically using Smart Table Assignment. Then enter the guest information. Add the guest's name, phone number, email address, and any useful customer details. If the guest has visited before, ReservHub can recognize the phone number and help bring back the existing customer details automatically. You can also add reservation notes, internal notes, or special requests, such as allergies, birthdays, accessibility needs, high chairs, or preferred seating. If your restaurant uses additional options, you can also manage items such as deposits, booking fees, services, or special requirements from the reservation form. Once everything is ready, click Create Reservation. The reservation is now saved and appears in your dashboard, where your team can manage it alongside the rest of today's bookings. ReservHub helps restaurants manage reservations, guest details, table assignments, and daily service from one smart platform.